Hello, welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, we'll learn how to check which Windows version is installed on your computer, along with other important system information. First, go to your home screen and click on the search bar. Type "this PC" and open it. Now, right-click on this PC and select Properties. Here, at the very top, you'll see your Windows edition, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just below that, you'll also find details like your processor, installed RAM, system type, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, and even info about pen and touch support. You'll also see your computer name, full computer name, and workgroup settings. There's also another way to check this information using the control panel. To do that, go back to the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Now click on System and Security, and then click on System. This will also display the same Windows version and system information as before. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Windows version and system specs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more useful tech guides.